Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to my lovely student. How are you all? I hope you are all well at home. So welcome back to my mathematics class 2, chapter 4, counting in a 10. So students, still page number 26 in your textbook I have explained you in my previous video. Now I will explain you the remaining topics. So let's see students. Now students, page number 27. So students, here what it is given that there is a wedding at a Malti in a Maltese house. Maltese के house पे wedding का festival start. So she is making a flower garlands. Can you see like this? And she uses 10 flowers to make one garland. Means ऐसे one garland के अंदर कितने flowers है total? 10 flowers she uses it. Okay. And here we have to find out that show there are dash flowers in a all. You have to find out altogether if you found this count is total how many. So students, here you can see there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 garlands were there, right? And each garland having 10 flowers. So 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So that means what students? That 5 garlands means 5 tens, right? 10 garlands means 10 flowers, 5 garlands were there. So 5 tens and still how many flowers which is loose? This one already mentioned. Can you see? 8 flowers. So means 8 loose one means 8 ones. So how many totals? 5 tens means total 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus this 8 loose flowers. So 50 plus 8 how much students? Total 58 flowers in all. Clear? Okay. Now let's see next one here. Now again we have to find out that how many flowers are these flowers in all. So first of all we will find out that how many garlands were there. Kitne garlands hai, right? So in each garland there is a 10 flowers. So how many garlands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 garland having 10 flowers. So that means 6 tens. And how many loose flowers were there still? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 which is loose means 7 ones. So we can form it 6 tens, 7 means 6 tens means what? 60 and 7 ones. So 60 plus 7. So total how many students? 67 flowers were there. Clear? Okay. Now students, next question is given that how many garlands of 10 flowers each can you make using 21 flowers, and you have to draw it in a space. यानी हमारे पास total 21 flowers है students, and how many garlands we can make? So students, we all know that in a one garland we have to put 10 flowers, right? So first of all I am drawing it one garland like this. In it I can put 10 flowers. One more I will take. Okay, so in it also I have to put 10 flowers. So 10 plus 10 how much? 20. So total how many we have? 21. Among that 20 we already used. Still how many flowers remaining? Only 1. So that one we have to draw it like this separately. Okay, and in this we have to draw 10 flowers. So that I am drawing it and showing you. Let's see students. See students, in a one garland I have drawn 10 flowers. Over here also I have drawn 10 flowers. So you have to also draw 10 flowers in a one garland, in another 10, and still we are having one left. So that one flower you have to draw it like this. So everyone clear on the page number 27? Okay. Now let's see next students. Now next page number 28, here it is given Leela's mummy asked to Leela that can you see all these pencil, and can you guess how many pencils were there? Here is pencils given. Can you see? And Leela's mummy asked to Leela that can you guess total how many pencils? If she guessed right, she will get all the pencils, right? Uski mummy ne bola if you will guess right all this will be yours. यानी ये सारी pencils आपकी हो जाएगी. So we have to help Leela. So let's help Leela. Question asks that how many packets of 10 pencils are there? So if you will see students, in the packets, in every packet there is 10 pencils. So we have to find out that of 10 pencils, how many packets were there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many packets? 6. So here we have to write down it 6. And how many pencils are outside the packets? Means in the not pack of 10 pencil. आप देख सकते हो, in every packet there is a 10 pencil put together, right? And only this pencil are not packed in a packet of 10, right? So how many it was? 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. How many pencils? 4. So here we have to write down it 4. So students, 6 packet of 10 pencils means 10 as 6. So 6 tens, right? And 4 pencil which is not packed in a 1 means loose pencil means ones. 4 ones. So 6 tens and 4 ones. So how many total pencil? 64. So total how many? So students, if you will count also, so 6 packet of 10 means 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30 plus 10 40 plus 10 50 plus 10 60. 61, 62, 63, 64. So students, here we get 64, right? So students, you can write or build the number like this also. In this way also you will get the answer. No need to count it. First you will find out that how many packets of 10. So that means that tens. And how many which is not pack of 10 means loose items. That is shows ones. So 6 tens and 4 ones, so 64 we will get as an answer. Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now let's see next, page number 29. This is the last page of your textbook regarding chapter number 4. Okay. So what it is given students, that Kanak likes to collecting different bindis, different kind of bindis. Can you see? In the picture she has already collected different kind of bindis. The girls who are putting bindis on her forehead, that bindis. Okay. Now we have to help that how many packets does she have. We have to find out total how many packets were there. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many packets total students? 7 packets. Now students, if you will see, in every packet there is a one pattern which is followed by every packet. यानी हर packet में arrangement of bindis are same. Can you see? See, 3, 4, 3. In a one row there is 3, another row 4, and last row 3. So here you can see in every packet the same patterns are following. 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4 and 3. Every packet there is the same pattern of given, right? So means what students? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. Means in a one packet 10 bindis were there. Means each packet having how many? 10 bindis. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70. So here question, how many bindis in all? So how many total? 70 bindis were there. Okay. So each packet has 3 plus 4 plus 3. That I already told you, right or wrong? That every packet having 3, 4 and 3 arrangement were there. Now you draw 10 bindis in a different way. Now students, in every packet there is a same pattern. Now you can also make your own different pattern to arrange 10 patterns. So students, here I will first use a star bindis, right? So first in a row, first I will put 1 and 2 stars. In another row I will put 1, 2 and the 3 stars. And in the last row, third row, I will put 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5 stars. So here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I have arranged star bindis in a different way like this. So students, also you can also make your different bindis pattern. You can also use a different shape of this bindis also. Okay, so this one you can make it by your own self. I have make it. If you want to copy mine, you can copy it same, and if you want to make your different bindis pattern, you can make it. Okay, now students, I have completed in the textbook your chapter number 4, but still we are having some CW exercise regarding your chapter number 4, right? So that I am explaining you. Okay, so let's see students that remaining exercise. Question is that look at the pencils bought by Reva and answer the following. We have to see that how many pencil Reva buy it, and we have to answer it question, right? First question is that how many packs each of 10 pencils are there. So we have to find out, in short, how many packets of a 10 pencils. So here you can see in one packet there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10, 10, 10 and 10. So how many total packets, students? So here 1, 2, 3 and 4 packets. So here in the blank you have to write down 4, and in bracket you can write down the spelling of 4 also. Yes or no? F-O-U-R, 4. Okay. The next question is that how many pencils are not in a packs, means in the packet. So here you can see these pencils are not packed in the packets like this. So how many it is? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 pencils were there which is not packed in the packets. Okay, so 6. I am writing number names also. So now last question is that how many total pencils did Reva buy? Now we have to find out total how many. So here students can see the how many packets? 4 packets of 10 10 means 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30 plus 10 40. 40, right? And 6 loose pencils. So 40 plus 6. So how much total? 46 pencil. Understood everyone? Next, Nandini has 65 beads. She made group of 10 beads to make a necklace. How many? To make one necklace, she used how many? 10 beads. Now, how many necklace each of 10 beads did she make? So, students, if you will see here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and here not 10, right? So how many packs of 10 10 beads, students? So here 1, page number 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many packets? 6. So here you have to write down 8, 6. You can write down number name also. Okay. Then next question. How many beads were not used by her? So here you can see she used 10 beads to make one necklace, right? So total 6 she used, and still there is a necklace. There's still some beads remaining which not used to make a necklace. So how many beads still it is which is not used for making a necklace? So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Still how many? There is a 5 which has been not used to make a necklace. Is that clear? So write down answer everyone. Next is Javed sells candies. What he sells? Candies. He displayed his candies in the jars as shown. Here you can see in the jars. Can you see? So many jars were there. In it he put all the candies, right? And in one jar there is how many he put? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So means in each jar there is a 10 candies. Now question is that how many candies did he put in each jar? So here how many? Here we count 10, 10, 10. So how many in each jar? So total 10 candies, right? So you have to write down it 10. Clear? Page number 19. Now Next one is, how many candies are outside the jars? How many candies which is outside the jars? Here you can see how many it is. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many? 4. So here you have to write down 4. You can write down number name also. F-O-U-R 4. Now question is that count the total number of candies by tens and ones. So how you will count? So 10 means 10 of 10 jars. In it every jar there is a 10. So we have to add 10 times. And then remaining that 4. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80. So total 8 jar, and in each jar there is a 10. So 80 and the 4 which is outside the jar. So 80 plus 4, how much total? 84 candies. So 8 tens and 4 ones. हम इसको कैसे denote करेंगे students? Here we got 8 jars, means 8 tens, 10 candies in it. So 8 tens and 4 ones. So that means 8 tens, 4 ones. So which number is this? 84. Is that clear to everyone? So question is that Ritu bought balloons on her birthday as shown. What she bought? She bought balloons. Here you can see balloons, so many balloons, and in a group of balloons is there. Okay. So we have to find out that how many balloons is this. Total कितने balloons है? So first question is that how many balloons did she buy? Total we have to count it. So students, here you can see in one group, here the same number of group given, right? Same number of balloons in every group. So first we will see how many in one group. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So it means in a one group there is a 10 balloons. So total how many 10 balloons group is there? So 1 means 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90 and plus 10, 100. What we will get? 100, 100. Okay. So total how many balloons were there? 100. Now next question is that how many tens and how many ones are there in the number that you got after counting? So what we get students here? 100. So students, if you are placing it, this one ones place. So ones place, and this all we consider as a tens just now. Okay, for your second standard. Okay, so this ones place we got 0. So here ones, and tens place how much number we get? 10. So that 10 you have to mention over here. Is that clear to everyone? So like this way you have to denote the number. Next it is tick the one that shows the given number correctly. Means if you will see here the number written, and on that number there is 1, 2 and 3 options. We have to find out that which number of object shows the correct number. यानी कौन सा है जो correct number shows करता है, right? For example, question number A, which number is this? 1, 3, 13. Which number is this? 1, 3, 13. We have to find out that which pictures or which number of objects is same equals to number 13. Yes or no? Okay students, so we have to find out that which pictures are equals to number 13, which options number of objects are total 13. So if you will check for the first one, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here 13 is this, right? Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next picture shows that 8 marbles. The last one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. How many it shows? 10. Now we have to tick it which shows the total number of 13 marbles. So here you can see this first one shows 13, right? Means this one is the correct answer. So we have to tick it. Is that clear? Okay, likewise next question. Here the number given 45 and we have to find out that which number of objects shows that it has 45 things. So here you can see bags were there. In the bags there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 marbles or 10 circles in a one packet. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. This number shows how many circles? 35 only. Okay. Now let's see second option. Here 10, right? So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So how much it is? 45. And here you can see we have to find out 45. So here we get 45, right? So that means this number 2 shows that it has 45 circles. Is that clear to everyone, this exercise? You have to find out that in which option the number given, that number of objects is there. We have to take it. Okay students, so counting in a twos, you have to count for. So your next exercise is counting in threes. What it is given here students? Threes means we have to count for the 3 steps. So students, now you can count on your fingers also. That first number 3. Which number is this? 3. After 3 you have to count for the 3 steps. So 4, 5, 6. So what will get answer? 6. Yes or no? After 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will get answer? 9 here, right? After 9 we have to count again for the 3 steps. So 10, 11, 12. So what will get answer? 12. Means counting in a 3 is given. So we have to count for the how much? 3 steps, right? So if you want to write down the next answer, after 12 we have to count for the 3. So after 12, 13, 14, 15. What we get answer students? 15. So here we get answer 15. Is that clear to everyone? Now again we have to count after 15 for the 3 steps. So after 15, 16, 17 and 18. So what we get answer? 18. Yes or no? Understood everyone? So after 65, 66, 67, 68. So your next number is 68. After 68, 69, 70, 71. So here 71 number is there. Now you have to count after 71 for the 3 steps and tell me the answer. So who will tell me? For the 3 steps, so after 71 we will get answer 74 and after 74, 77. We have to count for 3s, so we have to count the 3 numbers. Okay. Now students, next it is given counting in our 5s. Now how many steps we have to count? We have to count for the 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This much you have to count on your hands for this, right? See, support example, number 5 is there. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is there next number. Yes or no? Now after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So number 15 is there. So now you count to it and tell me after 15, if we will count for the 5 steps, so what we will get answer next? So after 15 if we will count for 5, so we will get answer 20. And after 20 if we will count for the 5 steps on our hand, so we will get answer 25. Yes or no? Now let's see next question. Next is number 33. If we will count for the 5 steps, we get answer 38. After 38, if we will count for the 5 steps, we will get 43. After 43, if we will count for the 5 steps, we will get answer 48. Now, we have to write down the answer. After 48, again we have to count for the 5 steps. So, what we will be get answer? So here after 48, if we will count for the 5 steps, after 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So here 53. After 53, again we have to count for how many steps? 5. So 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. So here we get answer 58. Is that clear? Okay, now let's see next students, counting in our tens. Now how many steps we have to count? 10. So how you will count? So let's see first question number A, 10, 20, 30. So students, this is very easy. Everyone will answer me very nicely and very quickly that what would be the next. So who will tell me next? If you will count for the 10 steps, after 10, 20, 30, and answer would be 40 and the 50. Is that clear to everyone? Okay, now let's see next question. Question number B, 52, 62 and 72. Again we have to count for how many steps? 10 steps. So here you can see students, number 2 is there. Only this tens place number are changed in a count if you are counting for the 10. See, 5, 6, 7. So what would be next? 8, 9 and this 2 as it is. So what will be next for counting in tens? 82, 92. It's so easy. Next exercise is count and write the correct number. What we have to do? We have to count and we have to write the correct number. So here in a question number A, number of squares given, and in over here how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10 over here. So this one also 10. So 10, 10 and 3. So total how many square? Who will tell me? Total we get 23 squares over here. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Understood? Question number B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here 10, 10, 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So how many total stars? 30 stars. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 30. Right? 10, 30. Is that clear to everyone? So till here students, we have complete your chapter number 4, all the work, textbook plus CW work also. Okay, so inshallah next time we will start. Okay students, so take care of yourself, and yes, whatever CW work we are sending in a group in a PDF form, you have to write down all the exercise in your CW work. जो CW में अच्छे से मेंशन किया है ना कि आपको ये CW में लिखना है, तो आपको वो सब CWs में complete करना है. So your CW should be complete. Everything you have to write down it in a good handwriting. Okay, so take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz everyone.